Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a look at Vinted and I'll be explaining to you guys how can you delete your offer that you've posted on your Vinted profile. So let's jump right into it now. To delete an item, first of all, from the home page, navigate onto your profile picture and then click on Profile. Down, scroll, down here, you'll scroll until you see your listings and find an item that you'd like to delete. Click on that item, and again, from the item page, scroll down until you see the delete button, which is right here. If you have sold it, you can click on mark as sold. If not, just click on delete. And on this page, click on confirm and delete, and your item order will, your item offer will completely be deleted. Of course, you can later on re-upload it if you'd like to. However, make sure to um, be mindful that once you delete it, that offer with that exact specifications will no longer be on the website. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video and for following along. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.